Okay, so let's see how to make a simple spaceships. Use simple building blocks, and especially how to connect them together, because you cannot build a big ship out of one block. On the other hand, you cannot connect the pieces together by hand. So I'm using Blender 4.3, and I will be as explanatory as possible. So in here I'm gonna use the file that I built the Herc pillar class super cargo hauler. The concept is cargo spaceship that can carry a lot of stuff. So it's made of. In order to move this, I can either push the middle button of the mouse, the one that has a wheel. You press it inside. You press it inside, it does this. Or you can press Shift Alt. I'm now pressing Shift Alt in order to move this way, and I can also press only Alt to do this. Right. So as you can see, the concept is to make a cockpit section, and the living quarters of this section, and then we have a standard engine and thrusters, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cargo boxes. 10 cargo boxes, and finally I'm pressing Shift and Alt right now to do this. The whole point of this video is to show you exactly what to do in order to do the things that I do, right? That's a bit from Star Wars. And you have a big engine and the thrusters, so that's the concept of the Herc pillar. Now all these things have been connected together using this process. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find something that's alone. Right, this is alone and this is alone because I have joined parts. So these two are alone, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Shift D, and as you see, I copied independently this object. Right, this object is now alone, and I'm going to use Shift D as well for this one, and these objects are now independently copied. They're completely independent objects. So as you can see, these are absolutely not aligned, and if I try to align them by hand, it would be a nightmare. So what we do in order to connect them, the process is very simple. You select the object that you want to connect, and then you go to edit modes. I'm going up here to edit modes. I'm going here to object mode, edit modes in here, and then I press Shift S and I do cursor selected, and then I escape again to object mode, and I press anywhere my right mouse button, and I do set origin origin to 3D cursor, right? So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area that I want to connect, right? Finding the area that I want to connect, and I select the object, and then again I go to object mode, edit mode, and then I have selected this face here. Face is active, and I select this face in here. See, I have clicked on this face here, and then I press Shift S, cursor is selected, and then I go outside on the object, and then I press again origin to 3D cursor, right? Now we must connect these objects together. Now, in order to connect them, what you do is that you select both objects. Let me bring them more here. Let me do that. I select this, and then as I held the shift key down, and I selected the other one, and I have already installed the Align tools, which is a simple extension. You just go to Edit Preferences up here, Edit and Preferences, right? And this is the Align tools. And for example, I can press this one and it aligns the object this way, or I can do undo, with this selected. I go to Align tools and I have Align location X, Y, Z, right? You see? And now this one is aligned perfectly, is the same as the one up here. So this is, I think, quite an important thing to consider while making spaceships.